Hey, my name's Amanda Winald. I'm executive attorney at Anderson Advisors, and we're at our day one of our tax and asset protection event live here in San Diego. And today I'm joined with Mandy. Mandy, how are you?
I'm great. How are you doing?
Good, good. And so Mandy's from IRA Club. Why don't you tell us what IRA Club's all about?
So we are a self-directed custodian. So people who can use their retirement money to invest in alternatives like real estate, private equity, different companies like that. We don't put any restrictions on people other than what the IRS does. So it really opens doors so people can use retirement money, get the tax benefits of an IRA, and invest in alternatives.
Why would you want to invest in alternative things?
Well, if you've watched the market do its roller coaster thing, one of the reasons is to get some true diversity, right? Get a hard, tangible asset such as real estate in your IRA and mix it up a little bit with private equity, real estate, and the stock market so you have some diversity. The other option is for the better returns.
So I have a 401k with Anderson. How come I can't do that in my Anderson 401k?
If it's a current retirement account, it depends on the plan that's written. So if you have a current 401k or a current retirement account, you can actually go to your HR department and ask. And sometimes, like 5%, not very many, but some people can take their current employment plan and roll it over. Most of the time, though, it's going to be your previous employer, or if you have an IRA or a Roth IRA. And we just started doing small business plans. So if you have full-time employees, you now can do a self-directed small business plan.
Okay, so it's the plan that's being set up by the business, and from the outset, you can do a self-directed plan there.
Yep. So the employer or the owner of the business, as well as the employees, can then invest in alternatives. But what we see most of the time is the employees want to be in the stock market, and so we let them set that up. And the employer, who's a little bit more knowledgeable and wants to do some self-directing, are the ones that are purchasing real estate or other things.
I gotcha. And so I have a 401k. If you've separated from service, you can roll that into an IRA.
Mhm.
But what other types of retirement plans are we looking to roll into these IRAs?
Anything that's retirement dollars we can help with. So TSP, HSA, Roth IRA, solo 401k, SEP IRA, anything that's retirement we can do.
And so an HSA, isn't that a health savings account? How does that work?
We now have self-directed HSA accounts. So you can use your health savings, and rather than just let the money sit there, you can invest it in alternatives.
All right, so I've rolled my stuff over, and then what? Are you helping me figure out things? Is there somebody I can talk to, a portal I can look in to find rules? I don't want to do a prohibited transaction, so how does IRA help with that?
That's a great question. And that's exactly what we do. We are the IRS compliance. And so you're going to bring us an investment idea that you want to do, and we're going to read through it with a fine tooth comb, make sure it's all compliant. We're going to dot the I's, fill out the paperwork, make sure everything's ready, send it back to you and say, is this what you want to do? And you'll say yes and sign it. And then we wire the money to the investment of your choice.
All right. And so I run our land trust and deed department, and we are setting up a lot of LLCs within an IRA to
Yes.
own property. What if I'm got an IRA that currently holds property and I want to roll it into a new IRA club IRA? How does that work? What do I need to do? Do I need to file a new deed? Do I need to update the deed in some way? What has to happen?
So if it's an LLC, it's very easy. We actually just work with you guys and we retitle it. Well, it's not retitled. We rewrite the LLC to reflect that. And then the IRA, the IRA actually stays the same. It's really the LLC that reflects it. But we can retitle anything. So if you're not in an LLC, we just rewrite it. So it's going to say the IRA Club for the benefit of your account and your account number. And so that allows you to move any assets you currently have in an IRA into IRA Club. And you're probably going to lower your fees and get much better customer service with us. That's really what we're known for.
That's the key too, right? We do these investments. We don't want to be losing everything on fees. So if this sounds great to you and you want to get in touch with IRA Club or Mandy, how do we do that?
So if you get to iraclub.com, there's a schedule a call button, and my face pops up so you can schedule that way. Yes, yes. You can also stop by our booth. We've got a card and information and a sign up, and we'll reach out to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Mandy.
Yeah, have a good one.
Thank you.